welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy. And today I have the Yeezy Boost 380 in the Calcite Glow colorway. So let's get to it. So here's the box, and I'm pretty sure this is the bottom. So this is the top, and you already know every single video. Got the Supreme, and let's dig right into it. Alrighty. So yes, here we have the 380. Let's take it all out. Alright, so right here we have the sizing on the front, which is always a 9.5 for me at least. And then here's your 380 Boost, Yeezy Boost 380, made by Adidas. And then on the bottom you have your Adidas logo. Alright, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here we have the laces. They're always putting these in them now, so are these glowing in the dark too? No way. I think the aglets of the laces are glowing in the dark, but I'll get into that after showing you guys these shoes. So let me put these back inside, and wow, they're nice, dude. It's the nicest 380 so far, because the other colorways are hideous. Like the shoe itself was already ugly, and then the colorways were already even uglier. So let me take out both pairs. Damn, this box dusty. Okay, so here's the shoes, and they're not fully white because some of the upper actually glows as well. Not fully though, but like if you see it through a shadow, like maybe you can see the green a bit. But I will try to get the shots for it to see if I can get it glowing in the dark, but it's gonna be a little tough one, but it's not hard to try. But okay, these shoes are always made up of prime knit. If this is your first time watching this video of a 380, these shoes are always made up of prime knit and Boost as well as your sole and your insole or whatever. Okay, because some 380 models have ortholite. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, but not all 380s have the Boost. So of course these as well have that one lace. That's why you have the extra set of laces, but you have to cut these off to put the regular laces on with the aglets. And same thing on the other shoe, nothing much different. The one lace, Boost, all of that good stuff. On the box, the colorways are CALCITEGLOW for all three. So I'll show you guys the little clip right now, but it just says CALCITEGLOW, which I don't know, it's because the shoes glow, so you guys know. But okay, there's really nothing much to the 380 as well, just like any other Yeezy model. Prime knit, there's like a little bit of gray on the uppers, on the sides, and on the inner side of the shoe. But of course, it's always a sock like fit, so it's kind of a little tough to put your foot in at first. But in the end, you'll make it fit because it's of a nice stretch material, if you can see. The rest of it is like a little bit of green. It's not like really bright, but I'm pretty sure when it's glow in the dark, it's gonna be really bright. It's gonna be different on camera, so it's something that you can't really tell unless you see the shoe in person. So I'd say if you're gonna buy these, go ahead and give it a shot, because honestly, the 700s that came out that were glow in the dark going for a lot. So if you want to spend less and you want to get some glow in the dark shoes, I'd say go for these, because the Alvas are expensive. But if you got the money, go ahead, man. I'm not even, that's all up on you. But I think these are a pretty good price right now for what they're going for. Maybe they might go up in the future. Maybe they might go lower. Who knows? But yeah, let me get you guys the close-up shots. I'll try to get you guys the glow-in-the-dark shots as well. It's going to be a little hard, but I'm going to try it. But other than that, I'll get you guys the on-feet as well. And then we'll get to wrapping the video. So let's get to So that wraps up the video on these Yeezy Boost 380 in the Calcite Glow colorway. And if you did enjoy, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But other than that, they look really good in person when they glow in the dark. But other than that, I have a new pair coming in, and it's a Reebok shoe, but it's not your ordinary average shoe. So stay tuned for that one. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.